Now you come down, okay, here, tap this place. You can see that my own is on everyone. If your own is only friends, subscribers only, or only you have to remove it and put it on everyone. The privacy has to be everyone, so that everyone on TikTok can see it. It's very, very important you do this so that your video can go viral. Unless when you're making a video for only your subscribers, if you have subscribers, you can now tap so that only your subscribers will see. But for you that is just coming in as a newbie, what you need to do is to select, make sure everyone is selected. Okay, that's it. Then the next thing is you click on more options. Okay, that's another place I want you to look at. Click on more options, then you check to see that all these things are on. You can see if your own is this way, like this comment now, all of them can be like this. You check if all of them are like this, you need to check them. Okay, allow comments, allow duets so people can duet your video if they like it, allow stitch, allow people to make stickers of your video, allow others to add to stories so people can share your video on their story if they find it okay interesting. English is selected, your language will be selected here. Okay, if it's an AI generated content, you put it, you take this, but if it's not, just leave that. Add to playlist if you have a playlist. Allow quality uploads. Some you will see this allow high quality uploads to be off. It is very, very important for you to tick it. Okay, tick allow high quality upload so that your video will have high quality. You can see on there, it says higher quality video may take longer to process. It does not matter, it may take more data, yes, but you will have a high quality video. So if you want the video to save to your device, okay, you can put it here. So once the video posts, to save to your device. But if you have saved it using the other option I showed you earlier, you don't need this. You can click this off. Now I want to tell you one reason why you should use the other option I told you. That option, if you use that option to save your video, you can post it on other platforms without it having the TikTok watermark. Okay, you know other platforms don't really like it. I don't want to mention platforms, but other platforms is not really good when you post on your TikTok. You take it, unless if you want that. But if you're posting as a content creator on other platforms, once you're done with that, the next thing you need to do is use that way I showed you first to save your video. Okay, for those who did not get it, I'll go back again. When you come, this is where you go. Okay, you tap on the arrow here. Once you tap this arrow, you will see save. You tap on the save and allow it to save. Okay, so that is what I want you to know.